my channel. Today's video is a what I eat in a day summer edition. This is what I eat when I'm home, but obviously this will differ based on what I do each day. Also, at the moment I'm trying to be as healthy as possible, but please know I don't always eat this healthy. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you're new. I'd really appreciate it. And yeah, let's get on with it. I like to have something that's very nutritious as it fills me up and it's just a great start to my day. So I start with either a smoothie bowl or porridge, and today I had a smoothie bowl, so I put some frozen fruit in the microwave just so it was easier to blend, and cut up some strawberries and added it to the frozen fruit. I then added some chia seeds and flaxseed to this and then blended it together. I then cut up some fruit. This can vary, so today I just cut up some strawberry and some banana, and then I added some granola and some chia seeds to the top of this. Alongside my breakfast every single morning, I will have a pint of water. So I always have this just to make sure I don't get dehydrated. I also add some ice to make sure it's cold. For lunch I was cooking for me and my dad, so I took out 2 pieces of chicken and just cooked them. I added some of this barbecue mop sauce from Sainsbury's, and it's really nice to have on chicken especially. Once the chicken was cooked, I put it in a dish and into the oven just to keep it warm while I was doing the vegetables and the noodles. So I had already boiled the kettle, so I just poured in the hot water to the noodles, which is what it says on the instructions. And then I cut up some courgette and heated that in the frying pan along with some other vegetables. This was my finished meal for lunchtime, and I decided that I would get myself a bottle of water as well because I need to keep on top of drinking, as I said earlier, so I just filled that up and drank that during the day. Today we didn't actually have have much in the house because we needed to go shopping. So what I did was cut up the last potato we had and did a similar thing to what I did earlier for lunchtime. So I boiled some rice in this little pan here. I decided to cook this leftover Chinese chicken that we had for the barbecue a couple of nights ago and just normal chicken, and then I put the potatoes into the pan just to fry up, and I would later put them in the oven just to make sure they're fully cooked. And then I cut up the rest of the vegetables that would go in the pan later. Once the chicken was cooked, we put it in a dish and back into the oven like I did earlier with the chicken, just to make sure it stayed warm. And I carried on doing the potatoes and took them out and put them back in the oven too, just to make sure. I added a bit of butter here just to make them a bit more creamy and some seasoning. Next, I began frying the vegetables that we were using for tonight. So I fried some courgette, some carrot and some tomatoes, and just left them on like a medium heat for a while. And here is my finished dinner. Also, later on I did have a snack of pineapple, but I've lost the clip for that, so I just thought I'd say. And anyway, this is the end of the video. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below and subscribe if you're new, and I will see you soon with another video. Bye!